In a world where the unexpected can happen at any turn, capturing every moment on the road has never been more important, and that's where the best dash cams come into play. In today's video guide, we are going to explore the top dash cams available on the market, ensuring you're prepared for whatever the road throws your way. Remember, all links to the products can be found in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest in tech and safety gear. Now, let's get started. The third product on the list is the Garmin Mini 2 Dash Cam Mini. Tiny but mighty, this car key-sized camera discreetly captures your journey with 1080p clarity, day or night, thanks to Garmin Clarity HDR optics. With voice control in multiple languages and Wi-Fi connectivity for easy video sharing, it's like having a vigilant co-pilot. The catch? The parking guard feature needs constant power, which might be a hassle for some. However, its compact size and robust features make it an unobtrusive guardian angel for your vehicle. The second product on the list is the Nextbase 622 GW Dash Cam. This powerhouse brings 4K recording to your dashboard, ensuring every detail is captured with crystal clarity. With features like what 3 words for precise location sharing, image stabilization for smoother footage, and enhanced night vision for low-light conditions, it's a tech enthusiast's dream. The inclusion of Alexa adds a layer of convenience unheard of in dash cams. Its only drawback might be its reliance on additional rear camera modules for full coverage, but with its advanced capabilities and seamless connectivity, it elevates car safety to an art form. Topping off the list at number 1 is the Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam, a tech marvel designed with rideshare drivers in mind. Acclaimed by tech giants like Wirecutter and CNET, this device boasts dual 1080p cameras capturing both road and cabin with unrivaled clarity. The front cam upgrades to a stunning 2.5K in solo mode, ensuring every detail is crisp. Night vision is no challenge thanks to IR LEDs, making it perfect for night owls. Its 24-hour parking mode, motion detection, and optional GPS make it a guardian angel for your vehicle. And that wraps up our guide on the best dash cams for keeping you safe on the road. If you found this rundown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights and reviews. Your support helps us bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safely and stay informed.